Hey Jammers, Princess Lisa here with another video, and look who this is. This is a scammer, so do not ever trade her. She has scammed Cow of her rares and saying that Cow traded rares for her taffy pulling machine, but she doesn't have one. Cow does. She's a big scammer, so do not trust her. At least we've got Lucky on our side. So she's scared. Trying to get Lucky back on our side because she was scammed. Poor Cow was scammed. Fiona, tell them how you feel.
I feel so mad and so sad. I want to rip my face off and rip my ears off and rip my head off and rip my laptop off and throw it in a cat's butt.
You have it. There you have it. So guys, see, she's trying to make me think that she is not a scammer. So, yeah. Yeah, they're both scams. You scale her. She's scammed. So, yeah. So, guys. Oh, yeah. Also, guys, Cow, she got her 2 short wrists scammed. So, I'll find a picture of those right now. Short spike wrists. So, I will find the pictures right here and show you which ones she lost. So, guys. Okay, so she lost her rare green one, her rare green short spike, and her rare short black spike.
The only one I have
is the blue because luckily she had it was on my account. So that's the last.
A member account. We'll explain that. Oh, I already explained to that.
So guys, so she had these 3. She traded me this one just to see if I could get any good trades on it, and she still had these 2 on. And then so I guess she someone was doing a scam, trusting, so she trusted her with these 2, and she got scammed. I know you guys might say it's probably it's her fault because she trusted. She is a skill. She owns a taffy from winning it. You don't have proof you ever owned one. Cow does have proof. So guys, do not trade her. Just report her completely. Just report her. Report her. Don't trade her. Tell your friends. She is a scammer. I just want to see what the scammer has to say. I am recording you. I have more than fishy. I had to say fishy. 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 I have more than fishy subs. So guys, let's see what Cow has to say. So Cow,
I
see,
feel so mad. I've been scammed 2 times. I worked so hard to get those 2 spikes. I had to trade a bunch of things to get a candy bomb and to get so many things. And I hope that maybe if you have some spikes, maybe then by chance you could send me a gem gram and buddy me.
yeah. So also
Give me
guys,
some,
wanna know what's even
because-
worse? She was Cow's buddy. She was Cow's buddy.
Also the person who scammed me my rare spikes.
She
So
still
yeah, please in the com-
don't even trust your closest friends.
Yeah, just
You can trust your siblings, because then you have parents to help you along with that.
yeah, but James, so yeah, you can just maybe, or you could just leave your user in the comments and I can buddy you, and maybe you could just be so nice to give me a gift and give me a rare spike. Because
Yeah,
I really
she worked
appreciate
so hard to get those, and she only has ever had 3 of them. Now she just has
it.
a blue
I
one.
may not be able to give you a really good item, but what I can give you is respect and appreciation.
Okay, Fiona. Now put it on trade so the jammers can see the proof that you have one.
Because I already showed them.
Well, I'm still showing them again. So guys,
I showed them all 3 though. So I'm trying.
this is the one she has. See, this is this tie that she got for when that person scammed her just now.
Oh yeah, I thought you meant to put the rare spike on trade.
I did.
Good.
So
Well,
guys,
you got.
let's put back that scammer. Where is that scammer? Here she is. I see you, scam. Let's see. Now this is the stuff that she scammed. Fiona, just trade her it because she's being such a scaler. Just trade her to them. Just trade to her. It's the only way you're gonna get back your things. Doesn't even matter if she's a scammer. What matters is that you get back your stuff.
People always say taffy puller machines are beta.
They're the rarest. They're actually the rarest candy item.
You know what? I don't really care anymore. I'm just gonna try to trade for this one item that I really want.
Fiona, please just trade for it. The taffy machine, you can always get it for fair trade. You can get it for fairness. You'll get another one, and I'll help you too. Because, Okay, Fiona, so she wants a trade back. So, guys, let's make sure she doesn't scam again.
What'd you buy then?
I'm watching you. I shall go there too. Do you unlock it? Okay, that's me. That's me.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna be watching her. I'm gonna watch her. So, actually keep the tie and the machine on trade to see which one she goes for.
She went for the taffy machine.
Of course. Typical.
What should I do?
Just say yes. Best way to get back your stuff. There you go, you scale.
Look, I got my finger back. I don't need that filthy machine. I have.
Get another one.
What did I lock her?
You filthy. You
Please.
horrible. Okay, guys. So now, Cow, how do you feel now about once you've gotten back the things that she scammed from you for the taffy machine that you owned?
You're talking like this is like a live thing.
Well, it pretty much is because people watch this, and this is pretty
Well,
important.
I feel better that I got my things back. I mean, like.
But like, still bad because you lost something that you worked hard for. And now they no longer have the bittersweet adventure.
My dad's pretty epic, right, Damer? Can you get a what?
They can only see they can only see your user.
Oh.
Okay, so guys, so I guess I will make another video soon because soon we're gonna be doing a little show. So I'll make you a sneak peek right now about what the little series we're gonna do is. Okay, I'll be back soon, guys. TV and commercials inspired by Kosho. Whoop whoop.
Do his countdown.
I already did.
I can't say it.
Okay. I would like to give thanks for the food we have now. And for everything we have gotten this Thanksgiving.
Who invited the hobo?
I think that was you. Who cares? So, like I was saying, I would like to give thanks for the food we have today. And I would like to give thanks for the delicious turkey we will soon eat. Now, let's eat! Have you ever gotten tired pushing your wheelbarrow around? Well, now you don't have to do it any longer because now you can buy the wheelbarrow pusher. He is an orange little Arctic wolf and he is right here. Call today and you can get your very own wheelbarrow pusher. He'll push it around for you so you don't have to.
Surprise face, Jazz.
So now you can just sit around and do nothing while he pushes around for you. So you just sit on down, have a smoothie, and watch as he works. So let's see one of the happy customers that has gotten this. Get some kind of toy to push. Okay, so let's see a happy customer. See, this customer is very sad, unable to push it for themselves. Now, let's see when she brings in her little servant. Let's see what happens when she brings in her helper. Her helper is coming, and it will be here soon. Now she is able to just sit around and watch it work. Look how happy it is. Look how happy they are. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, so that was a sneak peek of TV and commercial inspired by Kosho. So, I guess I will see you guys all later. Shout out to Cal09. So, we will see you later, and bye.